järgmine esineja on Jan Trudslev Taanist.
I hope you can all hear me. I'm just going to take this away. No worries. Just a second. Okay, here we go. Hi, my name is Jan Trudslev. I'm from Copenhagen. I'll just go back to the other slide. I'm the manager for CRM at Columbus IT. Usually when I make these kind of presentations, it's in my native language and slightly smaller audience. And well, the facilities are a bit more, it's a pleasure to be here. Well, it's pretty difficult for me to see your hands, but I can just briefly see a show of hands. How many in here, in your organization, uses a CRM application? Okay, so that's about 10. How many of them is Outlook and Excel combined? All right. Some of the main concerns in many organizations is to keep your customers happy, loyal, and profitable. Whether you are working in the business-to-business market, business-to-consumer market, public or private sector, this is a well-documented fact. My goal is to, within the next 20 minutes, to address some of these concerns and give you some concrete solutions. Therefore, I've prepared the following agenda. Give you a brief introduction. We'll take a look at the market situation. I'll show you some consideration you should have why to implement a CRM strategy. I'll show you how to build a CRM strategy. I'll introduce you to one of the software platforms, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and I'll define some critical success factors and the true value of CRM. Columbus IT, very briefly. We are a consulting company. We are not merely an IT company. We work primarily enabling organizations to utilize the existing knowledge, processes, know-how, and create value by the use of IT. We are located in about 25 countries. Well, what is CRM, or Customer Relationship Management? This is our interpretation. CRM is an implementing strategy for managing a customer's interactions with customers, clients, and sales prospects. It involves using technology to organize, automate, synchronize business. A CRM strategy is fundamentally not a strategy for technology, but a strategy for customer relationship management. So fundamentally, it's about bringing your organization and your customers into this, let's call it win-win situation, and at the end of the day, making more profit. But why consider a CRM strategy? There are some simple, sad facts. Please consider your own situation. It costs 4 to 11 times more to acquire new customers than to retain the existing ones. Improving customer loyalty and experience are listed as the top 2 concerns for business executives. In average, 38% of your profit will be reinvested into marketing and sales. Only 6% of all leads are processed by sales. That means a 94% lead loss. 75% of all executives report that they don't have the visibility into their own value chain. If you look at the top 3 customer management goals, it is to attract new customers, keep, retain current customers, and sell more to the existing ones. So we spend 38% of our profit in marketing and sales. There's a 94% loss in the leads generated, well, there's room for improvement or a window of opportunity. In order to perform better than these statistics, you'll need a strategy. What we can enable and what are the potential benefits? Well, there's 5 main strategies to thrive in a challenging economy. Focus on your existing customers. It's simply cheaper, as I mentioned. Maximize revenue opportunities. Measure the true value and return on your marketing investments. Target the right prospects. Tighten your focus. Do more with less. Streamline your business processes. Improve personal productivity and measure service cost. Decision support. Get the correct information and analyze data. Then you'll be able to make the correct decision. Optimize your existing IT assets. You already probably have most of the basic infrastructure and basic software. Additionally, many organizations, there's diversion between what happens in the marketing and what happens in the sales department. Diversion can cause one of the following problems, one or more of the following problems. The sales department has no visibility into what the marketing department is doing to support their effort. The marketing department has no visibility into what the sales team are doing to follow up on the leads generated. And the overall marketing effectiveness does not improve because it's not measured. These examples we can also address with a CRM strategy. So, building a CRM strategy is obviously not easy, but you can start off by doing a CRM analysis. You need to start understanding where your organization is today. Identify the benefits, what's the value and what do you want to create. Quantify the benefits, what to gain on the bottom line. Quantify the cost. I mean, the return on investment is crucial and when you're making major go-no-go decisions. CRM implementation. Manage CRM risk. Well, be honest. What can go wrong and how to prevent it? The CRM implementation, well, I'm not just talking about the software. This is more a change management project. And define the key performance indicators you want to measure your level of success. Now I'll show you a brief video with a sample of some software that can facilitate the use of a CRM strategy. Just a second. I'm working on 2 screens here, so you go.
To succeed in today's competitive market, you need a 360-degree view of your customers and your business. Whether you're a salesperson on the road, a customer service rep in a call center, or an executive who needs an instant view of your company's most important information, Microsoft Dynamics CRM puts what you need right at your fingertips, no matter where you are or how you like to work. You can open CRM from inside Outlook, on your phone or mobile device, or on the web. To start right away, explore CRM with the sample data that comes with the product. Play with the charts on the dashboards page, and check out the different kinds of information you can work with in CRM. Contacts are the people you do business with. Accounts are the organizations they work for. Leads and opportunities track potential sales, while cases and services track interactions with current customers. In each of these areas, Get Started panes help you learn the basics and take your first steps in CRM. For example, you can click the link in the Get Started pane to start importing your data from Outlook, Excel, or another CRM system. Microsoft gives you lots of resources to help you succeed with CRM. View diagrams to see how things fit together, and watch videos like this one to learn about CRM basics. Visit Help for step-by-step instructions. Take your CRM know-how to the next level with examples and scenarios in the Resource Center, where you'll also find links to popular downloads and community resources like forums and blogs. After you're familiar with the basics, tailor CRM to fit the unique needs of your business. Automate common tasks with workflows or use dialogues for consistent customer interactions. If you want to extend CRM or add new features, you might not even need a developer. Add-in solutions are available for a variety of industries, from small businesses and not-for-profit organizations to educational institutions and government agencies. Go ahead, start exploring. Add your Outlook contacts to CRM. Send an email or make an appointment. No matter who you are, where you are, or how you like to get your work done, Microsoft Dynamics CRM has the tools you need to succeed.
Well, seems pretty basic, doesn't it? This video is, of course, produced by Microsoft. Let me just get my mouse back here. All right. There are several CRM software opportunities in the market. These two reports consider Microsoft and two competitors as the market leaders. And the measurement between these reports from Gartner and Forrester is the ability to automate sales and marketing. Primarily because it's so, Microsoft in its 4th generation of CRM software is very smoothly integrated into your Outlook client. As I mentioned, it's now 4th generation software. It's not new software from Microsoft. It's not a new focus. It has been here for several years, and there's over 1.4 million users at the moment. But at the end of the day, I guess this is what it's all about. It's about generating business. Whether the marketing is delivering websites, seminars, advertisements, campaigns, trade shows, whatever, these leads has to be processed by some opportunities, quotes has to be sent, orders has to be closed, and business has to be made with new or existing customers. So now I'll just briefly go through the process. Generating leads. There's a lot of ways of generating leads. What's interesting here is whether you use social media advertisement, network, or trade shows, is you have to measure your lead channels, measure your level of success. Where did this lead come from? Was it from a website? Was it from social media? We have to embrace social media. One of our larger customers, just a telco company called 3, had a major breakdown a couple of months ago. The only way they informed their customers of the current situation was through their CRM application into Facebook. You have to make it easy for the sales department to process the leads you generate. So put it into a platform, put it into a structured process, and deliver the leads to the sales guys who has the correct, let's say, knowledge to engage this specific customer. Qualify the opportunity. Most salespeople are working with gut feeling. However, pipeline is the best way to plan ahead. Qualified pipeline simply gives you better information and gives you the opportunity to make better choices. So be in control. Define your sales process. Validate the information and get the confirmation from the customers you engage. You could have a predefined sales process or methodology, but at least just define how you work within your organization. You'll obviously have to produce your quotes, your orders, and your invoices. This is not a standalone platform. CRM has to be integrated to the rest of your environment, into your ERP system, into your websites, and so forth. By the use of company standards, you can process all the templates, all the documents, all the standard contracts of your corporate brand. You can import product information from your ERP system. Remember the true value of a CRM system is proportional with the data available in the system, so make it easy for the organization to put data into the CRM application. Additionally, this platform helps delivering critical information to your organization. You have to keep in mind, after you close the sale, somebody else is going to engage with the customer, delivering your products. When you close the deal, analyze. What's the lead source? What's the number of lost leads? What's the marketing return on investment? Which segment, which geography was the best segment to engage? Actually, lead source is a new functionality. This just emphasizes that software can now facilitate and support the fact that sales and marketing has to and will work closer together. There are several critical success factors when you are defining a CRM strategy and facilitating by the use of software. First of all, you have to get management buy-in. They have to be engaged in the process. They have to accept the pains that you are addressing. Define a clear CRM strategy. Define where you want to go. Bridge the gap between sales and marketing. And do never underestimate the need for organizational change. As I told you, software is only a little part of this project. Change management is much more. And measure the generated value and maintain information role-based. What I mean by role-based is the information available for a sales guy doesn't have to be the same information available for marketing. So the true value, I've been involved in a lot of international and national CRM projects. Well, first of all, this is not a one-time investment. The true value lies in continuous development into your line of business. You'll be able to generate more sales-ready leads at a lower cost. You'll be able to facilitate business process automation simply by the use of your Outlook client. Instead of sending 10 to 15 emails each day on the same subject, get the application to do it for you. So there's no more to-do lists. Optimize day-to-day business execution. And what I mean is, get the information to the sales guys where they need it. And have, at the end of the day, more sales representatives make their quota. Keep your customers happy, and you have the ability to document the marketing effect on this huge investment in marketing. So advice from me is, analyze where your organization are, document the value and bridge the gap between marketing and sales, and execute. Remember, the only constant is change, so be adaptable. That's it for me.
Thank you. Ja meil ikka siin on selline küsimuste voor, jällegi võimalik küsida. Kas on käsi või mis käsi? Küsimused on olulised, on käsi. Meil on mikrofonid.
Is he asking for questions?
Yeah. I think that... same guy again. Only guy with the questions. Yeah.
Perfect.
Just wanted to ask you one question. I'm not a user of CRM tools yet, but how would you comment Mr. Field's previous talks about loyalty and focusing on that and bringing next to nothing results?
Well, actually, I don't have a comment on how to measure customer loyalty, because the fact is that you have to start measuring before making your decisions. So facilitate what you want to measure, put it into application, and then you'll be able to make some qualified decisions. A question more?
Well, we have a lunch right now, and I think that you are eating with us, or anyone can approach you and ask something. If that's okay for you.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. And here's the present for you, Estonian chocolate. Thank you.